Have you ever found yourself trying to find a Discord server, can't find any, or this is the video for you? I'm Anilo, and I'm going to help you find the top, perfect, best Discord servers for you and your friends. First, make sure to hit the like and bell notifications so you can get updated when I upload my videos. At number 1, we have Discord. Discord is a really useful website to use. It has lots of features like searches and featured and new upcoming servers. The new server is a really good way to boost your server and find new servers that have just been released. I recommend it highly as it's not profitable at all, it's entirely for the community. Here is an example of what you can search, e.g. Xbox, and we'll show you all the Xbox servers with that tag. My second recommendation is Discord. Using Discord is a very useful way to find servers. By using Discord, I mean joining servers. You can join my server, which is the Inani community server, and on this server, you'll get a little welcome thing when you join, if you haven't used Discord already. But if you go down, right to the bottom, or try and find advertisements, if you go on my recommended, the server Hurricane Solution is there, and you can have a look at other advertised servers on my server. And here you can find other people's servers and what their server's about. If you go down on Hurricane Solutions, you'll find the free advertisements. There we are, advertisements. You click on that and you just go down, look for what you want. So I'm going to go down, let's see what there is. Want to grow your Discord or social media? That seems like a good one, let's have a look at that. So I'm getting a little message to see their server and I'm getting an invite. If you want to join my server and try and find servers via Discord, the link will be in the description, so make sure you join as well to interact with me and interact with the community. And I will see you all in my next video. Hope you found this useful. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in a bit. Bye.